Have you ever skipped your favorite coffee to save money and then still felt broke? Or worse, you cut back, downsized, sacrificed, but it just made you feel poor. You're not alone. Today, I'm going to tell you something that may change how you see money forever. This video isn't just about saving money, it's about how to live below your means without feeling deprived, without feeling like you are losing out, and definitely without living like you are broke. Because living below your means shouldn't feel like a punishment, it should feel like freedom. Let me show you how. Chapter 1: The Myth of Living Poor to Save Money. Most of us were taught that the only way to build wealth is to cut, and cut more. Stop eating out, cancel Netflix, live in a tiny space, buy nothing you enjoy. And while there is some truth to being mindful of expenses, this mindset often backfires. You start to resent your finances, you feel punished by your budget, you burn out and overspend out of frustration. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah was a school teacher who tried to get her finances on track. She cancelled every subscription, stopped going out with friends, and cooked every single meal at home. She saved a bit, but she was miserable. One night, she broke down crying, not because she was broke, but because she felt like her life had no joy. That's not financial freedom, that's emotional poverty. Living below your means should make you feel empowered, not deprived. Chapter 2: Redefining Rich. What if I told you that rich isn't a number? It's not six figures, it's not a luxury car, it's not a mansion. Rich is a feeling, it's the confidence that your bills are covered, the peace of not worrying about the next emergency, the freedom to choose how to spend your time. Living below your means isn't about having less, it's about needing less, and that difference is everything. Chapter 3: The Psychology of Enough. There is a concept in behavioral finance called hedonic adaptation. It means no matter how much you upgrade, a new phone, a bigger house, fancier clothes, you get used to it and then want more. So, if you're constantly chasing more, you never feel satisfied. That's why the real win is to learning how to enjoy life at your level. Not Instagram's level, not your cousin's level, your level. Let me introduce Marcus. He drove a used Toyota, wore basic clothes, and lived in a small apartment. But he traveled, invested early, and retired by 45. Marcus learned this trick: spend lavishly on what you love and ruthlessly cut what you don't. He didn't feel poor, he felt in control. Chapter 4: The Lifestyle Inventory Technique. Here is your first practical tool: the lifestyle inventory. Take a blank sheet of paper and write down everything you spend your money on. Now, mark these three things. Number 1, joy. What brings you actual happiness? Number 2, utility. What do you need to survive and work efficiently? Number 3, ego. What do you spend on just to impress or keep up? Now here's the kicker: cut the ego expenses, optimize the utility expenses, savor the joy expenses. This method alone can save hundreds without making you feel like you are giving up your life. Chapter 5: Build an anti-poverty budget. Most budgets are just guilt spreadsheets, but let's change that. Create a budget with 5 key tools. Number 1, essentials: rent, food, transport, utilities. Number 2, joy fund. Yes, budget joy. Movies, dining, hobbies. Number 3, freedom fund. Emergency savings plus long-term investments. Number 4, learning fund. Books, courses, skill building. Number 5, flex buffer. Unexpected but non-emergency stuff like gifts or repairs. Even if your income is modest, this structure makes you feel rich in purpose. It's not about spending more, it's about spending right. Chapter 6: Upgrade your environment, not your bills. Want to feel wealthier without spending more? Upgrade your space, not your stuff. Clean your room, add a paint, light a candle, create a cozy reading corner. These micro-environmental changes cost little but boost how you feel. Wealth starts with how your surroundings support your peace. Chapter 7: The Power of Frugal Flexing. Here is a reframe: frugality is a flex. Yes, choosing not to overspend in a world that glorifies consumerism, that's confidence. Want to know what looks rich? Saying, I don't need that right now. Shopping secondhand with style. Brewing amazing coffee at home. Using things until they actually need replacing. It's not cheap, it's intentional. Chapter 8: Relationships and Riches. Many people overspend just to fit in. weekend drinks, group vacations, birthday gifts. Peer pressure is expensive, but ask yourself, are you paying for connection or for validation? True friends respect boundaries. Real relationships aren't measured in dinner taps. If you are scared of saying, I can't afford it right now, try this instead. I'm focusing on a goal right now. Maybe we can do something free or low key instead. If they laugh at that, they weren't worth the expense anyway. Chapter 9. From saving to investing. Here is where it gets exciting. Once you live below your means with joy, you open up real wealth builder. Investing. Even small amounts can grow massively with time. Start with index funds, Roth IRAs if you are in the US, employer match 401k, high yield saving for your emergency fund. The goal, turning your savings into income. That's when you go from living below your means to living beyond your limits. Your money identity. Ask yourself, who are you financially? A hustler who always makes more, a minimalist who thrives on less, a planner who builds slowly and surely. Own your identity. Don't copy others. You don't need to be fire. Financial independence, retire early. Or a crypto bro. You just need to be someone who knows where their money goes. Chapter 11. Small wins, big confidence. One of the fastest ways to feel richer is to track your wins. I took 5 meals this week. Paid off that nagging debt. Started a side hustle. Didn't buy that impulse item. Write them down, celebrate them. That's a proof that you are on the right path. And guess what? Confidence compounds. Chapter 12. Final words. Wealth is a feeling first. Let's come full circle. Living below means isn't about becoming less. It's about unlocking more. More freedom, more peace, more control, more meaning. You can live a rich life on a humble income. And when you learn to live that way with pride, joy, and strategy, you'll never feel poor again. Call to action. If this resonated with you, do me a favor. Like the video, share it, and comment below.